Hi everyone, my name is Sunshine Cooper. I'm the owner of Shiine Artistry LLC, which is an all-natural vegan and cosmetics company. We are animal cruelty-free as well and paraben-free. Today I just wanted to show you a quick refresh for those that don't have time to do a full face makeup and just want something easy, quick, and just go. So I am wearing a light foundation right now, which is actually part of my product line. And I just want to share with you some of the products that I have to how to remove it. So I do have a chamomile makeup remover. I love this thing. It smells so good. Just twist up the top. What I use to take off my makeup, just quick, simple. This is actually very soft for your skin as well. Just a few drops. Lightly clear your skin off. Whoa, look at all that. And again, lightly remove it all off. This is really soothing with the chamomile properties in it. It's delicate enough, so if you wear a lot of eye makeup, it is also good and soothing for underneath those eyes. Whoa. I wear a lot of concealer just because of my dark circles, but it'll definitely remove it as you see using my product. So this is just quick refresh. After that, what you then do, of course, you do your regular cleanser, but if you're out on the go, you can't just stop and wash your face. So what I also have is my freshening facial tonic. This is infused with chamomile and witch hazel, and again, it's very soothing. Just a little bit on a nice cotton swab, and I like to go upwards. This also acts like a makeup remover as well. If there's anything that you missed, it will definitely just wipe it all off. So just to show you, wipe it off. And look, as you see, just a little bit remains on my face right now, but it's gentle enough again underneath those eyes for all skin types. Okay, just a quick refresh, and I already feel like my face feels like I just washed it in a sense, even though of course it's not, you're not like fully clean. It helps just reset, makeup, daytime, nighttime, going to work, having a second or third job, who knows, but it's just to get you going. Afterwards comes the serum. I have the Hyaluronic Serum, and a little goes a long way. So simply drop, drop, rub it in, rub it in. I put a little bit more on the other side so that way you can just lightly fill in all those areas. If you have dry skin, it's very hydrating. Helps with cell renewal as well, to help you be able to keep your face nice and tight. If you see, it's very hydrating and soothing. After that, depending on your skin type, I do have a few different facial moisturizers. The one I love to use is called Face Cream. So F-A-C-E cream, and it's infused with prime rose oils as well as lavender, chamomile. Again, a lot of soothing properties, especially if you have sensitive skin. Prime product for sensitive skin. So here you go. I just love the way it makes you feel, especially during the day when you just wake up. A little goes a long way. Don't forget your neck. You always want to make sure, especially when you're taking all these pictures, your neck stays nice and hydrated. Again, this is quick, 5 minutes. Last but not least, if you have any problem areas, especially underneath your eyes, I do also carry a hyaluronic eye cream. So this is infused with green tea extracts to help brighten and plump up your skin. So those bags will definitely reduce inflammation. So I always recommend use your ring fingers, so that way it's sensitive on your eyes. You don't put too much force, and you apply it right over the moisturizer there, so it just sets and infuses your eyes. Helps with the dark circles and reducing inflammation. That is pretty much it. Quick, set, refresh, go. I'm ready for the day. Hi, thanks for tuning in.